everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1003 of trying a new makeup product every day. If you're watching this video the day it comes out, I have a few things I want to say. First of all, happy Halloween! It does not even feel like Halloween this year, which is such a bummer because I was so excited to have my first Halloween at my own house to give out candy to trick-or-treaters, and I don't even know if that's going to happen today. I'm just not even really in a Halloween festive mood. Like, I didn't pick out a costume this year. But let me know in the comments down below what you're doing for Halloween, and maybe that can get me in the Halloween spirit. Also, another thing I want to say is that if you have not already entered my Day 1000 giveaway for a $100 Ulta gift card, head on over to my Laura Sanchez Moods eyeshadow palette review, and that's where you can enter my giveaway. But so for today, I am so excited to try out this VISEART, am I pronouncing that correctly? Theory 6 Absinthe Palette. So this is an eyeshadow palette that I got in my October 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box. And I have never tried out a VISEART product before, but I heard so many great things about this brand and about this palette. It does seem high-end. This little 6-color palette here is full size and retails for $45. But it's supposed to have a really awesome formula. I mean, the packaging is cute. Great little travel-friendly palette here. There's 3 mattes, 3 shimmers, and I really like the tones in this palette. I like greens. I have green hazel eyes, so I like to kind of play that up. And it does have the mirror there, which is awesome. So first things first, I am gonna go ahead and swatch them. These really are pigmented. They almost have a little bit like a stickiness to them, which makes them even more pigmented. Whoa, that's impressive. And those are the matte shades. Next, I'll swatch those shimmer shades. Ooh, it looks like 2 shimmers and then maybe a metallic. Oh, that's so pretty. This shimmer has kind of glitter, gold glitter to it. Ooh, this one has glitter also. Ooh, and then that's just a beautiful metallic. Oh my gosh, looking at these shades swatched together, I absolutely love this color combo. Oh, I am so excited. I want to try and use all of the shades, and I think that I'll be able to. So whenever I try out an eyeshadow palette, I like to try it with and without an eyeshadow primer. So I'm just going to take a little bit of my Zoeva Matte Eyeshadow Fix and apply it to just one of the eyelids. And so I'm just blending this from lash line up onto the brow bone. And as per usual, I like to do my brow highlight first. And this light shimmer sparkle shade seems like an awesome highlight. So I'm going to apply that right under the brow, and oh my gosh, this is beautiful. This is definitely the type of shade that on kind of like an everyday quick and easy eyeshadow basis, I would put all over my lid. But today I'm going to try and do more of like a colorful, more intricate look, but love this. A very easy but sparkly, beautiful shade. I'm also going to go ahead and use this to highlight my inner corner as well. It's so pretty. Great pigment with a surprising gold glitter to it, but it's still that light beige shade. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that highlighter makes me so happy. I just love glitter. You know, maybe whatever eyeshadow look I end up coming out with today, I'll just kind of come up with a Halloween costume that goes with this eyeshadow look. I think this is going to be a pretty green eyeshadow look, but we'll see how it looks. So next up, I'm going to use the matte off-white shade. And I'm gonna use this to set the eyelid. And wow, right now I'm applying it to the eye with the primer. And gosh, this is pigmented, which is awesome. It completely cancels out the discoloration. And it'll help the other eyeshadow colors pop, even though I'm sure they're gonna be so pigmented that they would pop anyways. But wow, I am so impressed by, even on the eye without the primer, how pigmented this off-white shade is, because a lot of times they end up being very translucent, basically disappear. But no, that definitely completely creates a perfect base and cancels out all of the discoloration. So even just how my eye makeup is looking right now with the highlight and then the off-white all over the lid is a nice eyeshadow look that I would do on a daily basis as well. All right, and then I like to do matte shades, especially like a brown matte in my crease transition area. So I'm gonna take this matte brown here to add some contour and dimension to the eye. So I'm trying to go in with a light hand. And wow, even though this is pigmented, it blends out so easily, so you really are able to diffuse that color. That looks so, so good. It really creates a perfect contour effect where it kind of creates that shadow look. You can see that difference and how that enhances the eye shape. And take a tiny bit and then tap off the excess. Oh my gosh, see, I just took the tiniest bit and it still shows up really pigmented. But I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out to just deepen up the crease a tiny bit. And then I love how it looks blending onto that brow bone, and then it blends on top of the brow highlight to make the brow highlight the perfect shape. That is such a beautiful crease shade. It's such a beautiful formula. These eyeshadows are so fun to apply since they are so pigmented and blendable. And I'm loving the colors. I'm loving the colors already, and I haven't even really applied like the actual pops of color. But I just feel like with each shade that I apply, it's another full, complete eyeshadow look that I could stop just with this crease here too, which is definitely something that I do like to do, is just cancel out discoloration on the eyelid, throw in a little crease contour shade, and see, doesn't that look like you've got some effort into your eye makeup? It really helps to emphasize and enhance the eyes, but it's very quick and easy. And these shades are perfect for that. So this tutorial review is kind of turning into a day to night transition video. So you could do this as your day eye makeup and then add the colors to get an evening look. So my first instinct is to do the darker metallic shade in the outer corner, outer third of the eye, and then finish off the inner corner with the shimmery shade. But I kind of want to do something a little different. So I'm going to take the dark, I kind of thought this was black at first, but no, it's a very dark green. And it's matte. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner, outer V. I just got an idea of what costume could go with this. And since kind of like, you know, blacks and greens are kind of like witch costume colors, this could be like a glam witch costume. But yeah, I like that since this is so blendable, I can really smoke out the color and have it not be too dark, but I think it's still gonna be like a pretty smoky eye effect. Yes, I love that. Okay. I know I'm sounding very repetitive, but once again, I could stop right here and have a beautiful, complete eyeshadow look, which is just a perfect smoky eye. I'm so happy I went with this shade in the outer corner because it looks so good for a smoky eye. I did, however, get Dexter a Halloween costume. I just couldn't resist. I was at Ocean State Job Lot, which is one of my favorite stores, and they had the cutest little dog costumes. So I got him a pumpkin costume. I mean, it's his first Halloween. I just had to. It looks so cute on him. So Dexter, say happy Halloween. He says, I just want to go chew on your hand. Thank you. Did you see that kiss he just gave me? Okay, next I'm going to take the light green shimmer, and with my finger I'm going to apply that to the rest of the eyelid. Oh my gosh, this is so pigmented. I think I even took too much. But wow, full opaque color so easily. I'm going to blend that. Okay, I love this Halloween makeup look. It could also kind of be, you know, like glam zombie, glam Frankenstein. It is like a green smoky eye, but it's not too overly green. It still looks somewhat neutral, but I love it. Go ahead and apply it to the other eye. I really don't see any difference in how beautifully these apply with and without the primer. Just so happy with the formulas and so happy with the colors. This eyeshadow look is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't get over this. And then I want to use all the colors, so I'm going to take the beautiful metallic darker green shade. So I'm just taking a small angled brush and I'm going to pick up that shimmery green and blend that along the lower lashes. I love a metallic eyeliner and I love green eyeliner, so this is a great shade for that lower lash line. Oh, I love it. Oh, it just looks complete. It looks smoky. Doesn't this also really lift my eye and give that cat eye, fox eye type of look? Oh, I think this might be one of my favorite eyeshadow looks I have ever done. So I need to recreate this all the time. Because yeah, it's a great Halloween look, great glam look, but it's also like, it's green, but it's still neutral. I love it. I feel like this could be great wedding makeup, right? And it's so enhancing to the eyes that I don't even feel like I need lashes or lots of mascara. It's just so enhancing and so pretty. I seriously am so happy with this. And I used all of the shades, which is always great because then that means that you're gonna get use out of every shade and you're gonna get your money's worth. And I loved every shade. They all applied beautifully and all look so great. So yay, this palette lived up to my expectations. It lived up to the hype. I really want to try out more from this brand. So if you have any favorite VISEART products, let me know in the comments down below. This is definitely one of my favorite products. I got an Ipsy this month, so I really hope we can get more VISEART products in Ipsy in the upcoming months, which I can't believe tomorrow is November. At least that means new BoxyCharm and Ipsy boxes will be here soon. And I also signed up for BarkBox and I am so excited. So I'm gonna be doing unboxing videos of that with Dexter and I can't wait to see what he gets and give him his toys and play with him with his new toys and his treats. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Happy Halloween!